As a Thrive Life consultant, there are many wonderful benefits. Of course, you can earn commission on the sale of Thrive products, but there are other benefits, like discounts on your own purchases, free food, half-price food, and free Q Club for life. Let's take a look at how you earn commission as a consultant. There are two types of orders that can be placed for Thrive products: Q orders and one-time orders. Q orders are where a consultant or customer signs up to get Thrive products delivered each month. The Q is the best way to get Thrive products because Q customers are always guaranteed the lowest price and receive monthly coupons. Q customers can also receive reward points through our Q Club. As a consultant, you earn between 20 and 32% on a customer's first shipment. The actual percentage depends on your total Q volume for the month. For example, if you sign up for $800 worth of new Qs in a given month, you would earn 24% commission on those Qs for a total of $192. After the first month, you earn 5% each month for as long as someone remains on the Q. As you continue signing customers on the Q month after month, your residual income begins to grow. The beauty of the Q is that you sell once and then you get paid month after month after month. The other type of orders are one-time orders. These can come through your consultant website or when someone places a non-Q order through you. When a customer places a one-time order or when you place an order for yourself, you earn 10% commission. The next way you earn money as a consultant is by enrolling other consultants to join your team. You earn 20 to 32% commission on the price of the starter kit that your new enrollee chooses. Just like with the Qs, the percentage you earn depends on the total volume of starter kits for the month. So if a new enrollee purchases our Business Builder Kit, which costs $259, your commission would be between $51.80 and $82.88. The next way you can earn income is through the team sales override. As a consultant, you can earn an override on the people you enroll, the people they enroll, and the people they enroll. And the best part is there's no limit to the number of people you can personally enroll. This means that the amount of money you can earn through overrides on your team sales is virtually unlimited. In addition to earning income, consultants earn free Thrive products and Thrive products at half price. Here's how that works. Thrive Life has an amazing host benefit program. The purpose of the host benefit program is to provide an incentive for people to open their homes and invite friends and family over to taste our delicious Thrive foods. In exchange for hosting an event, a host receives 10% of the total event sales in free Thrive products. This typically adds up to $100 to $250 or more in Thrive foods, absolutely free. Plus, hosts have an opportunity to purchase additional Thrive products at half price. As a consultant, you can also take advantage of our host benefits. Every time you place an order for yourself, someone orders on your website, or a customer orders through you outside of a hosted event, the host benefits are all yours to keep for yourself. In this way, many consultants are able to build up a large supply of Thrive foods. In addition to these great benefits, consultants can also earn the following: business supplies at half price, gifts for advancing ranks, incentive trips for you and a guest to exotic destinations, free admission and travel to company events. Whether you just want to get a discount on your own purchases and earn free and half-price products, or earn a few $100s a month by working a few hours a month, or you want to create an income stream of thousands of dollars a month working part-time, you can do it with Thrive Life. Whatever your goals, we're here to help you every step of the way.